Hey you, when it comes to goal setting, sometimes we fall off track and we just need little reminders. So what better way than to get a letter from your past self? Here you can see if you go to futureme.org, you can write a letter to yourself, enter your email address, and select a future date for it to be sent to you. Whether it's a year from now, 3 years from now, 5 years from now. If you just need a little reminder, a pick-me-up, mental boost, words of encouragement, whatever the case. And another site where you can actually do this is whensend.com. I will walk through both of these to give you an idea as to how easy it is. Dear future me, making a YouTube video on writing a letter to my future self. Hopefully things are going well there. Keep up the good work and great things will come to you. Wishing you all the best. Sincerely, your past self. Do 3 years from now. Testament to excellence at gmail.com. Sent to the future. And then you just have to click the confirmation link, and then boom, good to go. Writing a letter to your future self can be beneficial for various reasons. Like I said, a reminder if you're falling off track, a nice little email to read one day by surprise that'll make you smile, even motivation to keep doing what you're doing, or even to bring a goal back to life that you had previously laid to rest. Now I'm going to show you whensend.com. So here, send it when, we'll say April Fools 2020. Dear future self, hopefully everything has been going according to plan with your goals and beyond. Keep doing what you're doing and great things will happen to you. Not just a motto, but a lifestyle. Testament to excellence. Sincerely, your past self. Image verification 6626. Send it to the future. Future email accepted. Boom. And just like that, I have sent a time capsule email to my future self. Like I said, just to make my day, catch me by surprise, motivate me with my goals. If you want to give this a shot, it's free and it's easy to do. Let's get started. The time is now.